Alright, so your girl is back with a new video. So today I am going to be reviewing Motown Tress. This is the Spin Part HD Invisible Lace Part unit. It has a deep 6-inch parting area and it has slayable edges, y'all. So she is the LDP Spin 18 and she is in the color 1B30. She also comes in the color 1B, 2, 4, F1B30, F4, 2730, F8 Latte, F30, 2733, on Tendigo, RT4 Swirl, camo green. Okay, and cream pink. Okay, so she's another unit that is cost friendly, budget friendly, and easy to install. Okay, and she is known for the spin part. So we're gonna go ahead and take her out of the pack. She's looking, guys, fresh out the pack. I will just comb her out when I put her on, but let's go into the deep part. So we do have a full true to size 6-inch parting space, and then we have our lace, and then of course y'all see the baby hairs. Okay, so we're gonna give her a nice little slay. I'm not liking the color of this lace, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is just take my airbrush pantyhose spray, and the people done told me they have a spray that is specifically used for wig units, so I need to go to Target and find that. But all I'm gonna do is just take the airbrush spray and then spray her. Okay, just a little. She is made like a T part, so y'all see how it's shaped like a T. So you don't have that much lace, which is great for beginners if you do not know how to style lace fronts. She does come with combs. She comes with 3 combs. You have 2 on the side and 1 in the back. The way she's feeling, she feels as if she is big head friendly. So what I am going to go ahead and do is just cut off the lace. We don't need that excess lace on this unit. I got my unit on just like that. All right, and you can't even see, you know, the baby hairs. They're there. Like, you don't even have to chop them because you want it to look as natural as possible. And I'm giving y'all throw on and go wigs. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and comb her out because she is really curly, and I don't need, you know, those curls to stay like that. Like, I need them to be loose. I don't need them to be tight. And I'll probably just go in with my small comb so I can really comb them out. Which is here, and give her a good combing. All right, and I think I'm just going to leave the baby hairs because she is actually looking pretty natural like this, guys. Like, I really don't want to cut anything because I am going to keep her in the middle part. Now you can see where my cap my stocking cap stops. So what we're going to do is go ahead and just, you can take foundation, you can take concealer, whatever is your preference, and we're just going to add that to the unit just so it can look more natural. You can honestly take off the stocking cap if you want. You don't need a stocking cap if you don't want to go into this step, but I just feel like this just makes the parting look so much natural. And you can add a baby hair right there if you want, just so it can blend in flawlessly. I'm going to show you guys how that looks as well. So I'm just going to just take some of the baby hair that it gave me. All right. And I'm just going to cut it. You don't want it too long. You don't want it too short. And then I'm just going to take some of my, what I use, my Got2b glue. Take a little of that. I'm going to add it to the baby hairs, and then I'm just going to swoop it to the side. And voila, magic, easy, simple, beginner friendly, ready for the whirl, okay? Ready for the whirl. And you know, you can put a little scarf on this so it can be like super, super flat. Just so like it really, really lays and it really, really blends in. But it's blended, baby. All right. So this is what she's looking like. I like her because she is short and easy to maintain. I like her color because it's very subtle. It's not like a huge popping out of the 30. It really like flows. And y'all know I don't do short hair, but this is really cute. I want y'all to see how she looks in the back and how she comes down on me. So I'm 5'6", so this is where she's sitting on me. But she is really, really cute and really, really natural. Like, I like her. I like her a lot, especially for the price. I'll have all her information in the description box below if you have any questions. And y'all let me know if y'all feeling her. She is very soft. We're going to go ahead and do the testing to see, you know, if she sheds. So I'm just going to take my comb and just comb it through. So this one isn't really giving me any hairs. This one isn't shedding. So she's really, really cute. And I'm feeling sis. And you don't have to do nothing to her. Literally, if you don't want to comb her out, you don't have to. But I did. And curly synthetic units actually last a lot longer to me. So if you're feeling her, let me know. Let me know if you try a unit like this. I've never heard of this brand of hair. So I'm really, really excited. Thank you so much, you guys. Love you so much. Bye.